Hi there, students. Lethologica or Lethologica. I think you can pronounce it with both, but I think I would prefer Lethologica. This is when a word is on the tip of your tongue, but you can't find it. And if I suffer from Lethologica, I just look for a different word, because otherwise I end up with this great gap in my video. So Lethologica, it's a short-term glitch in the memory. This is tip of the tongue syndrome. You know the word you're looking for. What do you call it? The whatchamacallit, the thingamajig, but you can't put your finger on it. This is Lethologica. This is the difficulty finding words. It's a difficulty finding the right word. It's an inability to remember the correct word. This is a very unusual word. This is a word for those of you who are word collectors. So Lethologica, the inability to remember the correct word. Litholexia as well. Litholexia. Or letholexia, but I think litholexia. The reason I go for lith is because of the origin. This comes from ancient Greek, from the river Lethe, not Lethe, but Lethe. The river Lethe was the river in Hades. It was the river in the Greek of the Greek underworld. It was one of the rivers. The Lethe, therefore Lethologica, was the river which flowed through Hades, through the underworld, and where people if you drank the water, the dead would drink the water so that they would completely forget their time on earth. The Lethe is the river of forgetfulness, and therefore Lethologica is forgetfulness. You are forgetting logikos or logos, the words. Often this word is actually attributed to Carl Jung, but so Lethe, forgetfulness, and logos, words. So it's forgetting your words. It's forgetting the word. It's on the tip of your tongue. Now, yeah, it's right on the tip of my tongue. I know this word. We've all experienced this. It's really annoying mental block. Yeah, and this thingamajig, this thingamabog, that doodah, the whatchamacallit. These are words that we rarely use, and sometimes, yeah, it's on the tip of our tongue, but we just can't remember it. But let's see. This word was first clearly used in 1915 in a medical dictionary. Yeah, and it's the inability to remember the word that we're looking for. Yeah, we're looking for this word. We're trying to find it, but we're suffering from Lethologica. It's on the tip of my tongue. Ooh, and it's so frustrating, but I can't quite remember it. This is Lethologica. Yeah, I think my Lethologica increases when I've got lots of people to talk to, or my Lethologica increases when I get angry and it's difficult to find the right words. But you could use mnemonic devices to avoid Lethologica when you're studying for a test, and I would strongly advise you to use mnemonics to avoid Lethologica when you are studying your English vocabulary. Yeah, so Lethologica, you're lost for words. Yeah, I suffered from Lethologica in the middle of the interview, and it was really embarrassing. Yeah. Lithologica is the reason why words like whatchamacallit and thingamabob exist. It's forgetting a word and trying to find it. Yeah, it's this phenomenon where something's on the tip of your tongue, but wow. Yeah, lithologica. So, formality, this is an unusual word, but so I suggest use it because it's a fun word. You're going to have to explain it to people. Lethe, the river of forgetfulness in the Greek underworld, and logos, words. So, forgetting the words, forgetting the words, and you're looking for that word. So, what am I going to give it in formality? Well, I think if you're using it seriously, medically maybe an 8.5 in formality, but if you're going to use it as a joke, lithologica, and then explain it, you could use it anywhere, and that would then I would give it a 5 in formality. So it depends how you're going to use it. So lithologica.